Three cheers to Sujata Hip.
Hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
East or West? Sujata
West or West?
East or West?
Sujata is the best!
East or West?
Sujata is the best!
East or West?
Sujata is the best!
Once again, three cheers to Sujata Hip.
Hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
East or West?
Sujata is the best!
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 Give a big round of applause.
Thank you.
So nice. So, all the best for your future, and so nice that you came here
Thank
to share your joy and
Thank
your
you.
peace. Continue. I like to the closer.
Thank you.
So we are with the proud parents of Sujata, our second runners-up, Mrs. Face of Mumbai 2021. We really want to know from you, sir and ma'am, how proud and how happy are you about your daughter winning this title? Over to you, ma'am.
कैसे लग रहा है?
अच्छा लग रहा है। जो पहले नहीं कर पाई अभी कर रही है तो बहुत खुशी मिल रही है। बस
वैसे मैंने इसको आगे जाने में काफ़ी रुकावटें पैदा की हैं इनके बचपन में, लेकिन वो सारी खुशियाँ जो हैं लौट के आई हैं मुझ तक वापस, और इसके लिए मुझे बहुत गर्व हो रहा है कि मेरे घर में सबसे सुंदर बेटी जन्मी है।
Thank you, Daddy. Mama. अच्छा लग रहा है ना डैडी? मम्मी कैसा दिख रहा है देख।
So we are with Sujata's younger brother, sister-in-law, and a very cute niece, Sahana. So let's see what they have to say about she winning the title of Mrs. Face of Mumbai, second runners-up 2021. Over to you, Aditya.
Well, it feels really great that she has achieved this in her life, and I guess we all are very proud of her. And it was a very big moment when we came to know that she has participated in this event. And it's not a small event as well. It was like Mrs. Face of Mumbai. and it was really shocking to know that she has participated. But yes, she has always been a person who wanted to do something different, and finally, yes, she has did it. Thank you.
I'm proud of Bua.
We are very proud of her at this age. She's living her dream, she's doing what she wants, and she's making us all happy at this stage. We're really happy.
So we are with Sujata's very supportive husband, who's encouraged her to do what she did today, and very smart kids. So let's see what they have to say about she winning the title of Mrs. Sweets of Mumbai, second runners-up 2021.
I'm really proud of her. Okay, the day the audition started, she first came and asked me, Sham, should I participate? I said, why you're asking? You're supposed to inform me that I'm participating, that's it. But I told her one thing, that don't expect anything from me. Okay, this is your battle, you have to fight it alone. I'm not going to hold your hand. You have to walk your path on your own. And she, on her own, single-handedly, she did everything. I was nowhere in the picture, not supporting in any way. She had been coming once, so that can you help me with this? I said, no help. You are capable of doing it on your own, do it on your own. And she proved it that she is capable of doing it on her own, and I'm really proud of her achievements.
I am very proud of my mom.
Okay, I'm proud too. Seeing her here was not, I did not imagine going this way. It was very surprising to know that she would make it this big. At first it was a normal thing, but when she made it big, it was exhilarating. Yeah, that's all. Yeah.
I'm very sorry.
क्या होगा? नहीं, मैं
love
सब नहीं
you
करता.
all. Sham, this for you, and you have always supported. Okay.
Disha.
Okay, Disha wants to try.
No.
Yeah. It will good. Vidhan?
Obviously.
Okay. It fits in well, I mean, without falling.
I might just keep it.
Keep it. Okay. Kiss me. Vidhan? Shah.
So we are with Sujata's childhood friends, and we would want to know how happy and proud they are of her winning this title, and also some fun facts since they grew up together. We would want to know some fun facts from you about Sujata. You're over to you now.
Okay, let me start. Okay, I've known Sujata since our school days, so basically 4th standard. And let me tell you, this is not how Sujata was that time.
Actually.
Yeah, very quiet, very silent child, and just corner mein baith ke she'll do her padai and
Very disciplined.
Yeah, I never got a chance being a monitor to write her name on the board that as a talkative person. But now it's complete transformation. I can't believe myself, like the way she has grown, and trust me, the passion, the way she has grown, the vision that she has, awesome. And we were anyway sure that she's going to win this competition. Agree, right?
Yes, absolutely.
Of course.
She deserves this.
And the
Actually, she
day
deserves
when I became friend with Sujata, from that particular day, I was very sure that she is a champion. So I was knowing her that she had all the capabilities and abilities to win any competition. So this is just a beginning, we can say. So you can start at any day, and this is the proof of what we can have over here. Okay, you can start any day, any time, and you can be a champion. You can conquer the world. So that's Sujata for you.
yes. I would like to say that we are chuddy buddies actually. Same society and everything, like, doing together, shouting, yelling at each other, come down, go up, mom calling, dad calling, and everything. We had been always together. So, but for her, it's a very big achievement, and we like to say that it's just the start, and she can move ahead and achieve more goals.
Oh, thank you.
Three cheers for Sujata. Hip hip. Hip hip.
Okay, for me, Sujata is not just a friend, a very good soul, a very good human being. She's always ready to help in whatever situation you are. And yes, congratulations.
Thank you.
There's a way long success for you waiting
Yes,
ahead.
yes.
Thank
And
you.
once again, congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
And now we need our party after. Congrats.
Congratulations, Sujata, again. We would want to know what Face of Mumbai meant for you and how did you like the journey with us?
To start with, I can just say Face of Mumbai, if I have to explain, it's going to go very long. I'll try to just concise it. First of all, it's not just a normal beauty pageant, it's a personality pageant. So of course, when you come here, you don't know what is actually going to happen with you. You just visit yourself as if you've never seen yourself. The confidence boost, you make so many beautiful good souls and you meet them, you have friends, and trust me, these friends are going to I think I'm going to cherish them throughout my life. This means a lot. This journey started with auditioning. I met beautiful people here. I met Sona ma'am, who is one of the very supportive people I have seen, and I can't sum it up in one sentence, but I can just say people like me at this age, those who feel that they have that courage, they want to give it a try, they should actually just participate without thinking anything else and just move and live their dreams. That's how you live your life and you'll always remain happy. Thank you.